Today, I'll show you how to change a pin location on Google Maps. Whether you're updating your home address, correcting an error, or simply experimenting with the map, this straightforward process will help you get it done with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to google.com/maps. This is your starting point for a world of navigation and exploration. Once you're on the Google Maps homepage, you'll notice the familiar search bar at the top. This is where you can enter any address or location you're interested in. Next, find the pin location you wish to change. You can do this by searching for the specific address or clicking on the pin directly if it's already visible on your map. Once you've located the pin, give it a click. This will bring up the location's information panel, usually appearing on the left side of your screen. Here you can see details like the address, photos, reviews, and more. Now look for the option labeled Saved. Clicking on Saved will show you all the lists where this particular pin is stored. Google Maps allows you to save locations in various lists like favorites, want to go, or starred places. It's a handy feature for organizing all the spots you care about. Once you've opened the Saved section, click on the list where the pin is currently saved. Doing this will automatically remove the pin from that list. You might see a little check mark that disappears when you click. Don't worry, this is simply indicating that the pin has been unsaved from that particular list. With the pin removed from its previous location, it's time to pin a new location. Navigate to the new spot you want to pin. You can do this by searching for a new address or manually exploring the map. Once you've found the perfect spot, right-click on the location if you're using a desktop, or simply tap and hold if you're on a mobile device. After selecting the new location, choose the option to add a label or save. This will allow you to pin the new spot and add it to one of your saved lists. You can choose to add it to an existing list or create a new one to keep things organized. Google Maps will remember this location for you, making it easy to revisit or share with friends and family. And that's it. You've successfully changed a pin location on Google Maps. This simple process gives you the flexibility to keep your maps updated and accurate. Whether you're organizing travel plans, managing multiple addresses, or just exploring, knowing how to change a pin location is a valuable tool. Thanks for watching, and happy mapping.